welcome in Seema Lifestyle again. Today we are making tortilla. Tortilla we can use easily in Mexican dishes, but it is very versatile. We can use in like a chapati, or we can make kathi roll. Let's see what we need for it. For it we need very few ingredients. So they are beetroot. So beetroot are going in my blender, and I am adding some warm water. It is done. Now I am going to blend some spinach. It is fresh spinach going in, and some warm water, as I am making 3 types of tortilla wrap today. It is done as well. For making our tortilla wrap, first we will mix 2 flour. One is wheat flour, wholemeal, and then second is corn flour or maize flour, half of it. And then I will add some salt and then mix it. Same way I already mix another 2, because I am going to make 3 types of tortilla. And then I am going to add some spinach blend, and then I will make dough like that, little at a time, because we can't take it out. We can just add if we want. Look at this, our dough is ready. Same way we will make another dough. So now I am making another dough with beetroot. Our dough is done. Now I will make a third dough. It is going to be very plain. So just water, and I already added salt. All 3 dough are ready. Now I will cover them and keep them somewhere half an hour before I make tortilla, just to let them rest, and then it will make our tortilla very soft and fluffy. Dough is rested, so now it is ready to make our tortilla. So I am having it a small portion in my hand like a ball, and you can have small, you can have big, but in beginning it is better to start with a small ball, small tortilla. Then small is making easier. So this is the thing, it is here. And now I will just use little dry flour and roll it in pan. So this is it is done. I am happy with this size. It is going on our heated pan and on medium heat. And then same time I will make another one. It is done from one side. I will turn other side. Just few seconds until it is ready, and cook from other side. It is done. So now it is ready to cook, and look at this wonderful thing. It is done. It is done. This size is okay for me. So it is going on our heated pan. Same way I rolled my other plain one. There is no mix anything in it. Now it is done from both sides. So I am going to cook it like that. Look at this, wonderful. So they all are doing very well. It is going on our pan, heated pan. Now this is done from both sides. Now I am making it on my pan. Sometimes people don't have or flame, so it is also fluffy and very soft. So in this way we will make our all the tortilla. So here we go, our tortilla are ready to enjoy. So guys, friends, what you think about it, say in my comment box. And if you like, share with your friends and family and subscribe my channel. And always remember to press this icon button for notification. Then in this way you won't miss any new video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Happy cooking. Cheers.